How to buy USDT with Revolut. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'll show you how to buy USDT, also known as Tether, using your Revolut account. It's a straightforward process, so let's get started. First of all, make sure you've downloaded and set up the Revolut app. Open it and log into your account. On the home screen, tap the Crypto tab. If you don't see it right away, you might need to swipe through or search for it in the app. Once you're in the Crypto section, tap Buy. A list of available cryptocurrencies will appear, so scroll through and select USDT Tether. You'll be prompted to enter how much USDT you want to buy, so you can enter the amount in your local currency or in USDT itself. Revolut will show you the equivalent amount in the other currency. Now choose what you want to pay. So you can use your Revolut balance, linked bank account, or card for this transaction. Make sure your balance has sufficient funds on the one you choose. Once everything looks good, tap Confirm to finalize your purchase, and Revolut will process the transaction and the USDT will appear in your crypto portfolio within a few seconds to a few minutes maximum. To view your USDT balance, go to the Crypto tab and select Portfolio. Now thanks for watching.